everyone, welcome back to my channel. ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ నాతో కింద కామెంట్స్ లో షేర్ చేయడం అసలు మర్చిపోకండి. నేనైతే చాలా బాగున్నాను. So today's video is going to be a review of Pilgrim India brand products. So let's get into the video, but before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll not miss any of my new videos. I'm going to review both of these products in this video. This is from the range Volcanic Lava Ash. I have their face wash and the face scrub. Let's get into the exact products, but before that, let me just give you a small intro about this brand. The brand is called as Pilgrim, which is originated from India, that is made in India, with the ideology of introducing us the Korean based skincare for all the skin types. That's quite interesting, and I love that concept because Korean based skincare is to provide that youthful glowing skin, and the Korean people, obviously they look so young and their skin looks so supple, soft and rejuvenated. So that's the main concept of this brand, to provide us all that good looking skin. So that is all about the brand, and let's talk about the range of products they have. They have all kinds of products which are beneficial for our hairs, face and body. They have a huge list going on. So I have the face care products to review in this video, but I would love to try other products as well because I was quite impressed by their face care products, which made me absolutely curious to try other products as well. They have provided a small guide in the package, so I can just refer it later, but I'm sure that they have a good range of products. So happy that this brand has a lot of varieties, and they have taken up the step to introduce the Korean skincare made in India. So that's so lovely. Their products are cruelty free and it is not animal tested. All the 20 toxic chemicals are not included in their products, so they basically include only the natural ingredients in their products. That's a good thing, right? So we don't need any toxic kind of chemicals to be applied on your skin and get it damaged or etc etc. So that's the good point about their brand, and they have not included sulfates and parabens. Because of that, you might find that the product would not lather much because of no sulfates and parabens included. So again, that is more good for your skin. So that is a very good point about this brand. So I love all those things which are very good essentials must be included in the skincare range, so that our skin looks all the way rejuvenated without any damage occurred, right? This range which I have, Volcanic Lava Ash. What is Volcanic Lava Ash? Volcanic Lava Ash is nothing but the mixture of materials like glass particles, minerals, other things like after the volcanic eruption. That is called Volcanic Lava Ash, which helps in cleansing your skin very well from the deep. I mean, it gives you a very nice deep cleansing effect without clogging your pores, which in turn helps your skin not to have acne problem and the redness caused or any sort of inflammation. So that is all about the Volcanic Lava Ash. That is the main ingredient used in this face wash and face scrub which I have today. And the other thing is that the secrets of Jeju Island, the beauty ingredients which are present in the Jeju Island, are introduced in this range so that your skin is all hydrated and supple. Packaging looks like this. The packaging is quite pleasing and I love the packaging, and it all looks classy and premier. The combination of sea green and gold looks so eye-catching, and I love the theme as well. Face wash packaging looks like it is all nice, sturdy, and it looks like a premium product packaging. You can take out the product easily by just taking off this lid, and it is travel friendly too because it doesn't spill off so easily. You just have to close it and it gives you that sound that it is locked, right? So this is all about the packaging. And the next thing is that they are giving you the 100 ml product for 350 rupees. That is also a good price range for this 100 ml product, because they give you full complete product up to the top level. So I'm happy with that as well. Let me tell you the ingredients provided, mentioned in this face wash. They have mentioned that it has the ingredients Yug Dugu and White Lotus. Yug Dugu helps in controlling that active acne which you have, and it will heal it slowly after the use. Once you start using this product, it will start helping you in healing the acne and controlling the acne issues as well. So that is about the Yug Dugu. Also, it controls the redness which you have through the acne. So that's the good thing, because most of the oily skin people like me faces a lot of acne issues, and if it dries up then it's fine, but if it doesn't dries up, it gets too big and red, and the inflammation is like too much. Like, I cannot control once it gets bigger. So that issue can be solved by this ingredient called Yug Dugu. So that's the good thing, right? So this ingredient helps in drying up that acne. So that is the thing they have mentioned, and that ingredient is present in this product. The next one is that White Lotus. White Lotus helps in calming and soothing your skin. When you have acne issues, your skin will definitely be inflamed, so you need that calming effect to your skin, so that you feel so get that all relaxed, soft, supple skin. So these two ingredients are the main sub ingredients used in this face wash, and they have also mentioned some other ingredients in the ingredients list, like camellia, which helps in providing you that elasticity to your skin, that firmness when you lose that firmness from your skin. Like when you're aging, you definitely start feeling that your skin is not that tight, and your pores might get large too. So this camellia will help you in controlling the pore size, and also bringing you that loosen elasticity to your skin. So that is another great ingredient used in this face wash. I have done a try on these products. I'm going to show you on the side so you can just see the runny texture like any other face washes in the market. The color is in grey ashy, but the smell of this product is like strong to me. To me it is strong. Like, I don't like strong odors, so I did not feel it so comfortable while using, but then I am in love with the results the product is providing it to me, so I'm okay with that. I can just skip off the smell, but apart from that, the product is good. It controls the oiliness, and they have mentioned that their products are for all skin types. My skin type changes according to the season, so currently I am in monsoon season, so my skin is like combination skin, so for me it works well. Like, it controls the oiliness and it cleanses my skin so well, so I'm happy with the result. They have mentioned that it deep cleanses the pores, protects you from pollution, and it prevents the acne. Yes, it does cleanse your face really well, and also it protects your skin from acne. I can admit on that. And it is a no sulfate, no paraben product. Because of that, you can definitely see that it doesn't lather much. So it is all true, and yeah, I like that part because it is not harsh on your skin. It is so gentle and soft to provide you that nice result what you need. They've also given this small guide to their range of products they have in this brand. So that's cute, right? So they have all the products mentioned here. If you're not aware of it, you can just easily know it through this guide. main thing which I love about this brand is that they're not hurting animals, and the products are tested on friends and family. That is, they are testing their products on humans. So that is just so like a good thought, right? A very good step has been taken by them. The scrub packaging looks like this. The scrub product comes in a plastic tub like this with a nice wooden spatula. I'm in love with this tub because it looks all classy and premium, right? It looks like a very nice luxury product. The quality of the tub is also too good. Packaging looks like this from within, and this is how the wooden spatula looks like. It is so cute and tiny, jelly kind of consistency. It looks completely ashy. Both of the products are in grey in color due to the main ingredient applied in it. Now let me talk to you about the sub ingredients. Even here the sub ingredients are Yug Dugu and White Lotus. So I have already said you about the Yug Dugu and White Lotus, how it works for the goodness of the skin. So those are the ingredients applied in scrub 2. How the texture of the scrub looks when you apply it on your skin. The texture of the scrub is so gentle and it is not harsh at all, and the granules are really tiny, really tiny. You don't feel like something is working on your skin, like it is really tiny. And the moment when I started applying the scrub in circular motions, I started experiencing a nice soothing effect on my skin, which gives us that nice cooling sensation, so which I like the most. I like this scrub when compared to face wash because of that cooling effect, and it immediately penetrates into your skin. So in between I used to splash up some water during scrubbing it for 1 minute because it dries up so easily. Splashing some water helps you to give that nice massaging effect to your skin. 100 grams product is for 400 rupees, and the product is all up to the top, so it's a good deal as well. So overall I'm in love with this scrub because it gives you that nice instant results after scrubbing. Even for the first time, instant glowing effect when you scrub it even for once. I love that results from this scrub range, and it helps in removing the tan and blackheads, and it also helps in improvising your hyperpigmentation. The fragrance of the scrub is nice. I can work on it easily when compared to the face wash. It has a very nice texture, consistency, smell and everything. I'm in love with the face scrub compared to the face wash. Use the scrub only once or twice in a week because scrub has a minute granules in it, so that it is not good to apply scrub every day because it is not good for skin. So use it gently only once in a week so that it helps in rejuvenating your skin very well, and it also keeps your dull skin away. So scrubbing once in a week is absolutely necessary. And the ingredients mentioned here is, as I said, it has White Lotus, volcanic lava ash, Yug Dugu, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid helps in giving you that youthful glowing skin, also helps in maintaining your skin very well hydrated. So that is again a good ingredient present in this scrub. So that is all about these products. I'm sure that I have helped you in some ways. Like if you want to try them, then you can definitely give it a try because it's not having any harsh 20 chemicals included. They are free from parabens and sulfates. So all the goodness are introduced in their range of products. So you can definitely give it a try. 100% FDA approved, and it is 100% vegan. It is not tested on animals. So if you find this video helpful, please like my video, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Catch you soon in my next video. Bye.